In this video, we will walk you through the typical installation steps for the AluFix Classic guardrail system on a flat roof. The AluFix Classic system is suitable for installation on roofs with an inclination of up to 10 degrees. For safe operation, the system must be installed against a parapet or a similar rigid structure at least 50 millimeters high. Before starting the installation, make sure that all components are included and in perfect condition. Personnel performing the installation must remain protected at all times. Always wear a safety harness and stay attached to an anchor point or lifeline throughout the setup. Installation on roofs with a parapet at least 150 millimeters high. The most convenient way to start the installation is from the corner of the roof. Place the lower part of the support leg so that its front edge is flush with the parapet. To ensure correct corner positioning, leave approximately 250 millimeters of clearance from the side parapet. Make sure the support leg is parallel to the side parapet. Secure the lower part of the support leg with 2 counterweights. To help determine the correct position of the second support leg, it is recommended to use one standard 2.8 meter railing section, as shown. The second support leg should then be placed approximately 2.3 meters from the first one, following the position of the railing section. Place 2 counterweights on the second support leg. Once both support legs are correctly positioned, the upper sections of the support legs can be installed and the knobs tightened. The support leg clamps should be loosened beforehand, if this has not already been done. Place the railing section into the clamps, but do not tighten them yet. Install the next support leg as close as possible to the first one. Install the next railing section as shown. Adjust both railing sections so that there is enough clearance to fit the hinge connector clamps. Install the 2 hinge connector clamps. Tighten the edge clamps and the support leg clamps. The next support leg should be placed at a distance of no more than 5.6 meters. This setup allows one unsupported railing section between 2 supported sections. For convenience, the railing sections can be assembled in pairs on the ground as shown. After the railing is installed, make sure there is no gap between the railing sections. Connect the railing sections using 2 straight clamps. Then tighten the support leg clamps. You can use a standard corner connection with an overhanging railing section, provided that the overhang does not exceed half the length of the railing section. If this is not possible, use a telescopic corner connection. Place the last support leg in the line as close as possible to the end of the railing section, while keeping the maximum spacing of 5.6 meters in mind. On the perpendicular side of the corner, place the first support leg approximately 450 millimeters away from the parapet. Then place the next support leg at the far end of the railing section. Once both support legs are positioned, install the railing section as shown. Fold the hinge clamps as shown and attach them to the rail. Install the second railing section and partially tighten the clamps. Adjust the position of the railing so that it fits the hinge clamps. Install the 2 hinge clamps and tighten all clamps securely. If the parapet is less than 150 millimeters high, a toe board should be installed on the guardrail system. In this case, the support leg should be installed at a distance of 165 millimeters from the parapet. After the AluFix Classic system is assembled, install the toe board supports as shown. Attach the toe board supports to the railing elements, with a maximum spacing of 1.9 meters between supports. Arrange the spacing of the toe boards so that the 2-meter-long toe board sections can be installed with an overlap of at least 5 centimeters. At the corners, make sure the toe boards are positioned so that there is no gap between the adjoining sections.